Hello everyone, Rob here, scrappydo.com, and in this video we're going to show you how inside Cricut Design Space you can sort of create wavy text, very similar to something like this. It was posted in a group, said, hey, is there a way for you to do wavy text inside Cricut Design Space without using outside, programs and stuff. So anyways, let's go ahead and show you how to do it. Right now I'm in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to use the text tool here, and I just typed in, this is our, and then based upon that layout, I deleted the R, and then I just went ahead and moved this up here, and then I'm going to go ahead and copy it and paste it. That way I have the same size and everything, and I'm just going to finish up the sentence here. So R, wavy, text, right? So once you have that, then we're just going to go ahead and use the curve tool here. So this is the way that we can do it this way. And then over here, we're just going to curve it the opposite way. So that is how we would get our wavy text. And again, you can adjust this as necessary to make it look correct and everything. But yeah, that is exactly how I did it. And hopefully this helps you out if you're wanting to create some wavy text using the curve options built inside of Cricut Design Space. So if you like the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our videos. We're always producing more videos that try to help you out with designing and everything. So helps our channel out. So until next time, thanks for watching.